Woke up late, spilled juice on my phone, fed the goldfish my ice cream cone, brushed my teeth with the dog shampoo. Now my breath smells like a petting zoo. Left my sock in the fridge again, right next to the pickles and Uncle Ben. My shoes are chilling in the microwave, and my keys just ran away. Microwave soup with the TV remote, put on a scarf and my dad's trench coat. Tried to drive off in a shopping cart, made it 2 feet, then it fell apart. Left my sock in the fridge again, my brain took a nap around 8:10. Now I'm out here wearing pants on my head, singing to a loaf of bread. Why's my cat wearing sunglasses? Why's my toaster full of maracas? Is this just life, or am I in a dream? Someone pinch me, not your steam. Lay my sock in the fridge again, my sanity's playing pretend. If you see my brain, give it a smack and tell it I want my sock